So hi everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Job Saving Series. Today we are going to provide you some sort of openings which is for the people those who are looking job into cybersecurity. Sorry, I was not available from couple of days, but again I'm starting. So this is a disclaimer which means whatever job needs I'm going to say with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam. Right now, let's get started. So this is the first opening that we have, which is for the someone is hiring for the cybersecurity infrastructure. It's in Lucknow and it want L1, L2, L3 in SOC, right? And there are things eligibility is BTech and all those things. And you can send a mail to them, okay, so that they will respond and will let you know if you get hired or not, right? Meanwhile, if you are looking for SOC internship, you can check out this URL. You're starting in 2 days, right? Now, next no opening is again for the SOC analyst L1, L2. You can see the key requirement. You can pause this video and you can see what are things which is required L1, L2, right? And it's in Kochi on site. Third one is SOC analyst. Once again, they are hiring immediate hiring EST. EST means I guess Dubai time of shift is what they are going to work on. This is if you're interested, you can drop your resume here. And they are the preferred skills and key responsibilities, everything what you can see here, right? Now the next opening is basically Palo Alto. J Connect Infotech is hiring. This is for experience, 8 to 12 years experience required. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next one is 4+ years of experience required in Bangalore, Hyderabad job, and you can see what are things they want. Next is network engineer L1. They are hiring, immediate opening is there. Yes, so this is for NOC, immediate hiring. They are hiring for freshers, right? This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. And this is what you can see, the other key responsibility and required skill you can see here, right? Now the next opening is basically for the SOC Analyst, Google SecOps Chronicle, and 3 years of experience in SOC is required and Google SecOps. You can see the mail, right? Now next opening is basically for the cyber security operation analyst. Okay, and this is a mail you can see, and this is what they are doing and what is they are looking for. Next one is someone is immediately hiring SOC analyst, work from home. This is want up to 3 years of experience required, 6 months of hands-on SOC experience required, and this is mail ID on which you can send you, right? Next opening is persistent system, guys. It's a very good company. Vaishnavi Bulwood is hiring basically, you can see. And this is like if you have 5 to 8 years, you can join this company because they are going to give you some sort of good environment. As far I know, like a couple of my friends are working here. This is the opening that we have, probably the last SOC L3 full-time Lagos shift pattern, 5 years of experience required, and you can send your resume. It's a UK based company, right? That's what we have for today. You can see the URL for SOC internship, and guys, this is going to start in 2 days, and this is going to be one of the most beneficial. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.